I'm your biggest supporter, and I mean, I really believe, John, that what you and the group are doing is, I mean, a gift from God, and what you're doing is special. And don't ever lose your enthusiasm. Don't ever lose your desire to do this, because what you're doing is very, very special, and I mean that from my heart.
Hello, my name is Philip. I'm from the United States. I'm having a wonderful time. It's a very modern city, many things to see and do. It's a big city. The ladies are very friendly, very attentive, and the food is excellent. Having a very good time. Walking through the streets, even at night, have no issues, no troubles at all. Very safe. Yep. You're very attentive and watch out for your clients. Yep. Oh, the staff, very friendly, very attentive. If I had an issue or a problem or any questions at all, you guys were right there to assist me. I didn't know what to expect when I got down here. I was very surprised. Yep, socials are very busy, very active, many ladies to choose from, many ladies to talk to. Ladies are very friendly, very pretty, very nice to be with. Many of the ladies are looking for their special one, their other half. So I've become very, very friendly with a couple of them, yes. The city tour is very nice. The bus ride to all the sites around town and along the coast of the ocean was very, very fun. You get to hang around with the other clients and become friends with them, and you just go around the city in one large party. I'm having a great, fantastic tour experience. I'd say if you want to go on vacation and meet some beautiful women, this is a perfect place to come and...
Interested? Learn more at... If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Then click on the notice bell to get notified every time we add something new.